Hello, everyone. Um, I am from iMath, iCode. So we have been working with tips data. And the question we need to answer is which was the busiest day as a group? And we need to show our answer in descending order. So if you have not seen this data set, let me just run this code so you can see the data set. In this data set or data frame, I made a data frame from the data set tips data. If you have not seen previous videos, please watch those videos, and I showed it how to get this data. So here is the data: total bill, tip, sex, male, female, smoker or non-smoker, day, which day of the week, uh, restaurant was open, time, was it lunch or dinner, and size, how many guests were in the party or visited the restaurant. Okay, so now you have seen the data. Let me clean this up. Now let me answer the question. So I am going to use group by. So the data frame is tips. Then I'm going to group by day. Then I'm going to summarize. I'm going to sum all the total bill, and then I'm going to save it in total revenue in this variable. Then I'm going to show this variable in descending order, and arrange is the function that does it for me. So let me highlight this code and run it so you can see the output. So here is the output. As you can see, the busiest day is the Saturday, and they made $1,778. And the slowest day is Friday. They made only $326. So that is how you use group by, summarize. It could be mean, it could be sum, and then you can arrange in descending or ascending order. Thank you for watching iMath, iCode.